Be sure to check out this video. I think all of your questions are answered. Now, here's day 1. Here is me currently. I am so amazed at how my locks are growing, but I had to try something new. So I decided to use the sponge rollers. I used castor oil. I added water to the leave-in conditioner and max 3 locks per roller. Don't forget to subscribe. And let me tell you, it was super easy to install the rollers, of course. And I'm all done with that process. So, takedown day is now. I got these from Walmart. All right, so it's time to take them down. So I had to go somewhere and I had to take them out before 24 hours. But it's all good. Although I wanted them to stay in for at least a day or 2, I think I'm still satisfied with the results. I love them. Even though I didn't have enough time, the curls are still popping. You should give this a try because this is my second or third time trying this butt out. Be sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos.